very nice. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Keep going, you're doing great. Okay, reel it in as you let down. Okay.
This is big. Big.
He's going to put a strap on you to help you with that. Okay, now you put the rod in the... Oh, give me the towel. Okay, put it in that little thing of yours there.
Should I lose him?
Oh, did he just jump? Something just jumped out of the water now. Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. I mean, you got a serious one on the end there. Good, honey. That's it. Let it all the way down to the bottom and then pull back. Okay, pull back. There we go. There you go. You got it down. Oh! I got that on video. You just jumped out of the water.
Oh!
Dang! You got a serious one there, honey. You just jumped out of the ocean there. There we go. Doing great. You're doing great. My goodness, you just like totally jumped out. About time, don't rush it. Just
Enjoy the fish.
enjoy it. Yeah, make him tired, not you. Yeah, he's a tough one, hey?
Oh, big.
Okay, pull him all the way in, honey. This one's yours. You're bringing it all the way in. I'm just going to videotape it. Slow, I mean, don't tire yourself. Just do it slow and.
Oh!
Oh. This is what it's all about here, honey. Deep sea ocean fishing. What kind of line's on this one? 80 pound? 80?
Yes.
Man, you got him. I've never seen him. I've never seen him jump out like that before. Give you some exercise, eh?
Very close.
Keep going. Keep going. It's close. This is yours and yours only. I'm just videotaping the whole thing. So just, no, I don't want it. This is yours. This is yours.
Okay.
Okay. I'm videotaping it for you. I want you to get this one. It's so fun to watch you like reeling in a sport fish right here. I got him jumping out of the water too. He was like out of there. I didn't know they did that.
Oh.
Almost there.
Yeah, they keep saying that.
You can take a rest on your arm, honey. Have a little rest. Just let him sit there. Take a break. I don't think you can go anywhere as long as you just rest your arm. Can you turn the rod around? How to use a left arm?
No, I can't. No.
That one's no good? Okay. So far it's taken you 5 minutes to reel this thing in.
Yeah.
She's gonna need one after this.
Oh, I feel it.
So awesome. It's gonna be the biggest fish ever, right?
Cool.
He's actually pulling your reel. He's actually a tough one.
Oh. Keep it.
Oh, it's slipping a little bit. He's ready. He's really giving you a run for your money. Did you want to take a break?
No,
Okay, good.
I'm doing this one.
Good. I'm glad.
Fish.
I am very glad you are.
You don't keep saying that. Where is he?
Right there. Close.
Very close. Just 100 feet away.
You see the line?
Just follow the line. Getting some good exercise there.
I'm gonna be on drugs later.
We're gonna have to cook this one especially for you.
Mahi.
Mahi. I don't know if I've ever had Mahi.
Where is he?
Your reel's not moving. The lock is very loose. I think you'll forget that. Bring up the tension a little bit. There we go. I see something over there. Right there. It's coming in.
Okay, make sure it's on.
I've got it. I'm recording it. It's getting close. I see something moving right there. Real. Helping you out a little bit.
I don't know.
Good.
Buddy, he's going to he's over here. Okay. Go. Yeah, just keep reeling. Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying.
Oh, there he is.
Okay, I'm going to go.
Oh my God, it's huge. The thing is huge. Oh shit. Whoa!
Okay.
Oh,
Holy crap. Oh my goodness, honey. Woo! He's big. What is it? Mahi?
Mahi Mahi. Yeah.
Whoa. I don't think I've ever seen a fish. Isn't that the biggest fish you've ever caught, honey?
it's biggest. Sir, big son.
Oh man.
Biggest fish
Ever in history.
for me.
Mahi Mahi.
Yay!
Very good.
Very good.